Guys, good morning. Today is Monday, December 9 here in Reno, Nevada, guys. But it's very cold outside, and I clean up this car. See, look, and because maybe like after 1 hour or 2 hours I'm going somewhere, but at least I have a video today in this house and also in the outside, right? I want to open first my car, guys. Look at my car. Yan isa, guys. Good morning, Mar. Good morning, Mar. Yan. Tapos ito yung eskwela niyan, guys. Like WCSR jumper school, elementary school. At least ngayon, I'm sure that I don't have a lot taking the video there. So this is my place now, because sometimes I'm busy to make video, guys. I open my car to the guys before I go to outside. Okay, right, cool now. See, at least mayroon tayong video kahit like 10 minutes, right? Amerika talaga, guys. Amerika talaga ang lugar, guys. Kasi ayan, guys, oh. Ito yung lugar ko ngayon dito, guys. Yan, wala, nobody. Tignan nyo man ang bundok, like Capitol Hill in Saipan. And this is my house. Now I'm staying there and look at the sun. Grabe, it's very hot, but like you inside in the freezer, it's very cold. Look at me. May yung pako nang ano na, masakit na sa ano. By the way, guys, yan ang, at least mayroon tayong video dito sa bahay ngayon, guys. Punta tayo sa elementary school. At least mayroon tayong ano, ito na nakikitang you know, school dito. Yan, is may memory tayo dito. Jennifer Stallion School. Yan, elementary to, guys. Yan, andun yung bahay natin. Naglinis lang ko, guys, sa anong sasakyan, kasi mamaya may lakad ako. May lakad kami. Iwan ako muna yung alaga ko doon, kasi hindi ko nilabas yung aso. Yan ang kabuuan ng lugar ko dito, guys. Mainit yan. You see that, very hot. Pero the problem is my, like you know what, like a refrigerator and in the freezer, like that, guys. Ganun kalamig yung lugar ko sa Amerika. Desert ang ano ya, deserto, pero kita nyo ng kabuntukan, the mountain. You don't see it, the tree, the big tree, but the problem is it's very cold place, this place. And then sometime this winter ano, today is December, since starting September, October, November, it never raining snow, only little bit. As the last time I take it my video, but and this time with December 9 here in Reno, Nevada, my place is not raining already. Still like 43 degrees. Sometimes only fog, right? Yeah. Sometimes it's only fog, sometimes like you cannot see in the car. Sometimes the head of the car is you have a snow little bit. But before I go, I warm up first my car and little bit clean up. You know that, yeah. And this place is like the house, like the colors like brown, you know, dirty white. This is my place close the like school bus, you know. Okay, get may paano ngayon, may video tayo ngayon, oh, shout out kay Mr. Juno Moco in California, may pamilya in Saipan. Thank you everybody. I always watching your basketball league there, and itong lifetime ko boring. Soon I willing I like sometime thinking when to go home, but it's hard to explain about that one, you know. At least alam yung sitwasyon ko dito sa Amerika. Walang fishing, I cannot play basketball kasi malalaking kalaban. Kaya din meron din masing ano ko rin, hinlaki ko rin kasi dito mga tao dito, honest to you guys, very busy. Kaya yung laruan ko lang dito, fight, ang game ko lang dito, nakita yung baril na yun, dalawa yung isang AK-47, yun na lang practice firing dito, yun na lang ang malibangan mo dito, wala eh. Kaya minsan nag-iisip ako na I want to go back to Saipan. At least alam nyo ngayon mayroon tayong activities ngayon dito guys. Yun na, dapat sana mayroon tayong everyday na may video ako may bibigay sa inyo. Everyday, supposed to be I have everyday I have the video guys for at least alam yung sitwasyon ko dito sa Amerika guys. 160 pounds na ako ngayon. Before it's like 215, so I came here in January, and this coming January again I already 1 year in Reno, Nevada guys. It's very fast, grabe, parang hindi ko ano nga ganun na pala kabilis ang panahon. Yeah, at least mayroon tayong video ngayon guys sa araw na ito. God bless lang sa inyo guys. Watch this video para makikita nyo anong ginagawa ko rito sa Reno, Nevada ngayon. Right, back tayo guys sa lugar ko guys. Yan na nga guys. Kalinis ko lang ito, pinandar ko na yan, kaya may lakad ka mamaya. Yan, tingnan yung araw guys, oh. Kita yan, grabe init, pero para sa loob ng incident pressure is very cold. Grabe, ganitong sitwasyon ko rito ngayon guys. Ang tahimik. Kanina may mga bata naglalaro, parang ganito din yung sitwasyon guys eh. This is my house and that's the WS Elementary. It's very close, right? And this is again Reno, Nevada is very close to the elementary school. Alright guys, I love you. Please support my channel. At least you know everybody what I'm doing here in Real Nevada, guys. Alright, I love you guys. God bless you. And enjoy lang kayo dyan sa Saipan. I miss Saipan. Maybe soon I go back to the fishing again. Maybe next year. Maybe. Alright guys, love you. See you. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo kahit malit pa rin ang ano natin. At least meron pa rin. Right? Enjoy lang. Enjoy lang sa short life natin sa Saipan. Alright. Ang lamig talaga guys. Grabe. Kahit nga may ano tayo, may araw. Kita nyo naman ang sitwasyon. Grabing lamig dito sa Amerika. Yeah. Kaya na. Love you guys. Bye. See you soon.